Hello, everyone! Today, I want to talk about my hobbies. I will speak slowly and clearly for you. This lesson is good for beginners and A2 learners. Are you ready? Let us begin together. I have many hobbies that I enjoy. A hobby is something I like to do in my free time. Hobbies are important in our daily life. They help me feel happy and relaxed. Now, I will share my hobbies with you. One of my hobbies is reading books. I like to read in the evening. The house is quiet at that time. I sit on the sofa with a blanket. I usually drink a cup of tea. I read simple books and short stories. Sometimes I read travel magazines. Reading helps me learn new English words. It also gives me new ideas and dreams. When I read, I feel calm. I forget about stress and problems. Reading makes my mind peaceful. Another hobby I enjoy is drawing. I have a small sketchbook and pencils. I like to draw simple things. I draw flowers, houses, and people. Drawing helps me feel relaxed. I focus on lines and shapes. I do not think about time. I also do not worry about problems. My drawings do not need to be perfect. Drawing is fun and creative. It helps me express myself. I feel happy when I draw.
Piano slowly fades out.
I also love listening to music. Music is part of my daily life. I listen to music almost every day. I listen when I cook. I listen when I walk outside. I listen when I clean my room. My favorite music is soft pop. Sometimes I listen to classical music. Music makes me feel peaceful. It also gives me energy. Sometimes I sing along. Singing makes me smile. Cooking is another hobby I enjoy. I like to cook on weekends. I have more time then. I cook simple food. I make pasta or rice with vegetables. Sometimes I cook soup or salad. Cooking is not only about food. It is about love and care. The smell of food fills the kitchen. I feel proud when I cook. I also enjoy walking in the park. The park near my home is beautiful. There are many trees and flowers. I like to walk slowly. I look at the sky. I listen to birds singing. Sometimes I walk alone. Sometimes I walk with a friend. Walking helps me feel fresh. It gives me time to think. In the evening, I write in my journal. I write before I go to bed. I write about my day. I write about my feelings. I write about my feelings. Writing helps me understand myself. It helps me remember small moments. I like to read my old notes. I can see how I change. Journaling feels calm and peaceful. Sometimes my hobbies connect together. I listen to music while cooking. I draw when I walk in the park. I write new words when I read. Hobbies can be very simple, but they make life rich and full. Everyone should have a hobby. My hobbies are part of who I am. What are your hobbies? Thank you for listening.